Hey y'all, this is Bobby for the Rustic Shabby Chick. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and welcome to our YouTube family. Today I wanted to show you my daughter's kettle. We got a MegaChef glass kettle. It lights up, it's pretty cool. I'm actually getting ready to run a cycle to clean it out, and you guys like to see how that goes. Alright, your kettles come with a little base here. And this holds, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it is 1.8 liters of water. My daughter used this morning, so we got some condensation going on up there. I'm going to add some, we're down here in the minimum line, so I'm going to double that with some white vinegar. And the top of this, the way it works, push this button and the lid pops up. You don't have a lot of room. You can see my hands kind of hanging over there. I mean, it's a snug fit. That's the only thing I don't like about it. Your pour spout has, you can't really see it, but there's screens on both sides. And your power button is over here. So we're going to close this, turn it on, and we're going to do this in real time, so bear with me. This is going to be boring. If you want, you can fast forward till it starts boiling. I'm wanting to say it takes about 1 minute. Kind of late doing regular content on the channel. Been sick the past month with a viral cough that was going around, and then the kids had it, and I've been wore out. I do have some other things to share with you here soon. Looks like we might be getting some bubbles going. It doesn't whistle like your old-fashioned stovetop kettles. My daughter likes hot tea, and my niece had one of these, and I was like, oh, I need to get this. See the bubbles going? I'm not for sure how many minutes it stays on warm once it's done. I've misplaced the book, and I'm wanting to say it's under 10 minutes. I do know that. It gets pretty hot. Turn the light on so I hope so a little bit better. The light shining behind it's from my phone. Yeah, we'll turn it off. Sorry about that. Bear with me. Haven't had my coffee yet today. The reason why I'm going to vinegar is on the inside, we had some hard water deposits going on at the bottom. You see that vinegar's already cleaned it up. Looks like we're about 2 minutes in. Possibly 3. See, I don't have my shit together. We should be about done here. Notice it looks like a majority of the bubbles are on one side. I don't know if that is a defect or the way it's supposed to be. Never noticed that. Should be turning off in here in a second. It's kind of fun to watch. I like the light. Oh, there we go. Now I'm going to take this and let it cool, and then I'm going to dump the water out and clean it out. But there you go. It looks like it takes about 4 or 5 minutes to come to a full boil. Well, how exciting was that? We watched water boil together on YouTube. Thank you for watching this video. I'm sorry, this is probably my most boringest one I've ever done, but I wanted to share the kettle with you. My next video will have this retro microwave that I just recently got. Show you a review on it. But probably start working on a video tomorrow and have it out in about 2 weeks here with my regular content on Saturdays. Hope everybody has a great day. Don't forget Jesus loves you and you are enough. And if you haven't subscribed, please join our family. Have a great day. Bye.